Here we need to perform the division of two algebraic fractions, and if you recall, the way to do it is to multiply the numerator of the first in the left, the first expression in the left, multiply it by the denominator, and then the result put it on the top or in the numerator of the result. This is like this. This expression here should be multiplied by this expression, and the result should be written on the top or in the numerator of the result. And for the other way, for the other case, we have the numerator of the first division should multiply the expression or the numerator of the second division, and the result should be written in the denominator of the result. So let's do that. So we have first 3x, 3 minus x, that should multiply 5 minus x, right? And in the denominator we have x squared minus ax plus 15 that multiplies a number 1. So we have 3 minus x and 5 minus x. And in the denominator we have a trinomial. Let's try to factorize that one. We have x squared. This is a trinomial of the way x squared plus bx plus c. So the first is that we need to find two variables here, in this case, that when multiply each other we get x squared. In this case will be x and x. Two numbers that when multiplying each other we get 15. Both numbers, since the 15 is positive, both numbers by the rule of sign should be positive or both should be negative. But if you observe clearly here, we have a negative in the second term. So this is telling me that the two numbers should be negative. And the result of these two numbers that I use should, if you sum them up, they should give you 8. So in this case, I will use 5 and 3, because 5 and 3 give me 8 if I add them together. And as we said before, they should be negative. Let's try to look at this. By x here, we get x squared. This is correct. And minus 5 by minus 3 will give you 15. So this is correct. So now let's try to do the multiplication of the inner terms and the outer terms. So minus 5 by x is minus 5x. Okay? And the multiplication of the outside or external terms here, x by minus 3, this will give you minus 3x. And if we do a summation of these two terms, we get minus 5x minus 3x is minus 8x. This is exactly what we were looking for, you see? And in the numerator we have 3 minus x and 5 minus x. We have 3 minus x, and in here we have a x minus 3. I mean, they are the same terms, but they are swept the terms inside of each of the factors of each parenthesis. So we'll take out a negative in the numerator, and then I can swap these two terms here, x minus 3. And also, well, let's do first this 5 minus x in the next term, the next factor. We have 5 minus x here and x minus 3. Now we have these two are exactly the same, so we can eliminate them. Now I will rewrite this expression. I will take out the negative, and we have 5 minus x, this one, and x minus 5. You observe the terms are the same, but again the signs are different. We need to take out a negative of this numerator here, and I will do it. I will put a negative, and then instead of writing 5 minus x, I need to write x minus 5, because I have taken already a negative, and x minus 5. Now these two are exactly the same, so we can eliminate them. So this is we have a negative from outside, and in the top we will have minus 1, and in the denominator a 1, right? Because we have just removed them by division. So by the rule of sign, minus by minus is plus. I will write it. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. And this is the result.